One day, mate visited an industrial area and met four business owners with one simple question. If something unexpected happens to your system, how quickly can you recover your data and business? The first owner smiled confidently. Nothing will happen to my business. We've been running like this for years. No backup, no plan, only confidence. The second owner said casually, I take backup in a pen drive sometimes, that's enough. No schedule, no security, no reliability. The third owner replied, backup solution? Too costly. Not needed now. Saving money today, risking everything tomorrow. But the fourth owner paused. Honestly, I am not sure. If something happens, it will affect my entire business. He realized the risk before it became a problem. Instead of ignoring it, he took action. He implemented a proper backup and disaster recovery solution. Because in today's world, unexpected problems don't give warnings. Four business owners, same question, different decisions. Only one was prepared. The question is, which one are you?